Hi guys, this is Santiago here from Vestua, speaking to you directly from Chile. So I wanted to appreciate, thank you for the gift you sent to us. It's a very nice detail. We just received it, and I'm going to unbox it now to show you what things are here. So let's do it. So I'm going to unbox the gift now. This is the box from Cloudways, from our friends. And here we go. Nice. We have this nice book from Simon Sinek, which I think is the one from the TED Talk with the what, the how, and those inner circles. Nice. Also have this nice Cloudways notebook. Have the book from Eric Rice, The Startup Way, which is the same author from The Lean Startup. It's a very nice book, as you can see. Thank you guys, nice. We have some swag over here, some stickers, of course, to put one of these on our PCs, of course, and this nice shirt with Cloudways. Guys, oh, look, there's this nice card from the Cloudways team wishing us a great new year. So guys, just to wrap up, I really want to thank you for the gift. I just want to say that we're currently very happy with Cloudways, with all your help. Pera has helped us with getting some mentors, helping us. We went through a funding process, and you guys offered help with the awesome support, technical support, and your service. I mean, it's key for us because we're mainly an e-commerce company. So as you can see, this is very important for us. And it's been a year since we have been customers, and I think 6 months since we joined the startup program. And so far, it has been a very nice experience. So we hope to keep working with you guys many years to come. Thank you very much, and Happy New Year for you too from all the Vestua team.